hot roti under preparation. So we have our first flat of this road trip.
This was our place for last night. Woke up really late there. All the stuff scattered as usual. And the best part about this place was this view. The view from the balcony is something like this. So, here in Nako, we got news that there was an avalanche in Tabu. That's a place where we're supposed to head. So we're waiting for that to be cleared and get confirmation about that rather than getting stranded there. That's the situation as of now. I still have to go freshen up. I just woke up. I need to find at least a bucket of water to wash my face, brush. It's not easy. There are sources of water over here, but getting hot water you need to wait. So I'm kind of in the queue. Yatish has gone to sort things out for that. I'm busy doing this. We might not be able to take the motorcycle ahead due to the weather conditions. Let's see what happens. Let's go and check out what's the news update for today.
So as I showed before, that's the place we stayed, and the bikes will remain inside this gate here on the right because of the avalanche and snowfall happened last night. Bikes are not allowed to go beyond Nako. Even if we are sent at the checkpost, we will be stopped. So rather than parking the bike in some stranded place, unknown area, so it's better to leave them here. आपको हो गया नाश्ता?
हो गया, आप लोग?
Go in this restaurant for breakfast. And we have Maggie and omelette we serve. Yatish is ding-dangling with sauce. Sorry, not socks, sauce. So, hot omelette. Let's have this now for now. So, this is our ride for today. The bikes are parked inside. So our riding days for now, we've taken a break due to very bad weather. Rushed. Let's get in. See, riding gear and helmet is here. Yatish is going to navigate us today. Yep. Without knowing anything.
You are in safe hands, don't worry.
Yeah. I'm not riding. That is my only feeling now. Himachal Pradesh checkpost Sumdo. We are in Sumdo, Spiti. Getting the entry done at the checkpost. Water is so fresh, so nice. You can see pieces of ice floating off from there. You see, I think that just went. There are no coming there. There. Yeah, there it is. That is ice just floating off in the water. It's a huge piece. Delhi is 774 kilometers from here. Chandigarh is 510. Shimla is 300. I see a board. So, done with the rental. Let's go. Dangerous to stand under this as the ice melts, it might fall down. So, try avoiding standing under the ice. So all photo shoots happening.
Yeah.
You didn't come out for a photo?
I did. Already took one. Ready to move it.
Nice. Let's move.
Chalo.
Place is closed. In Thabo, we're visiting the monastery here. This is one of the oldest monasteries. So I think that is the recently constructed building there, and this is the entrance to the old one, is what I've been told by the looks of the board. There's no one here, everything is locked. Checklists of birds reported in Spiti. The large temple of Tromton. Zalma, the picture treasure. It's locked. Let's head out. We'll have some, find trying to reach KAZA as well. Ice baby.
अब डिफिकल्ट हो जाता सर?
हाँ, यहाँ से वो ब्रिज से डिफिकल्ट होता है.
हाँ, टीचर से आप ना जाते.
All our cars going backwards now. We wanted to try do some photography. And then move ahead, but I'm just slipping and sliding in the water there. So that vehicle has to cross. So we have our first flat of this road trip. So we reached KAZA and then we have a flat. Look at the ice formation. We need to get the flat fixed before we move on. I'm losing my breath. Sorry. Hey! Yeah, it's not my bike, but my bike is left at Nako. The road is too bad now. So that was a group by mountain goats who had met in Nako, and yeah, our car has a flat. One of our cars has a flat. It's tire has to be replaced, so getting that done before we head further to town. Puncture sorted, not by us, but the locals helped.
Yes.
If it wasn't for them, we would have
Still be
thought
stuck
of
here.
we'll be stuck here with wondering what are the options we have. We have no strength in our arms due to the cold. But he's got all the strength in the world. So our dinner table in KAZA. Our utensils. Mats, pillows sitting on the floor on the table. So they are our hosts in KAZA and hot roti under preparation. The heat is here. The traditional and food being prepared. ये तो सिलेंडर का कैसे है ना? हाँ सिलेंडर, not traditional.